Once upon a time, in a small, quaint village nestled among lush, rolling hills, lived a young man named Jack. With a spirit as restless as the wind itself and a heart full of dreams, Jack longed for adventure beyond the familiar meadows of his home. One bright morning, driven by an urge to discover his destiny, Jack packed a modest satchel with essentials and bade farewell to his family. His mother, teary-eyed yet full of hope, offered him a loaf of bread for sustenance. "Take care, my son. The world is vast and full of surprises," she whispered gently. Jack nodded, his mind set on seeking his fortune. With nothing but a stout stick for company, he embarked on the well-trodden path leading out of the village. The sun was high, casting golden rays that danced through the leaves, whispering promises of the uncharted. Hungry for opportunities, Jack trudged along, his heart singing with anticipation. As he ventured further, Jack crossed sprawling forests, where the tall trees seemed to touch the sky. The birds chirped in a melodious chorus, which invigorated his weary feet. In these verdant woods he encountered an old woodcutter, his hair as white as freshly fallen snow. "Good day, young traveler. Whence do you roam?" asked the woodcutter, his voice gruff yet kind. Jack recounted his quest for fortune. "Ah, ambition burns brightly in your eyes," the old man said with a chuckle. "Beware, young one, sometimes fortune finds you in unexpected ways." The woodcutter handed Jack a small, intricately carved amulet. "For protection," he said, wisdom gleaming in his gaze. Taking the amulet gratefully, Jack continued on his journey, the words of the woodcutter swirling in his thoughts like leaves in the breeze. The road twisted and turned, leading him into a bustling town buzzing with life. Merchants shouted out exotic wares, their colorful stalls a feast for the eyes, while entertainers dazzled crowds with their incredible feats. Drawn to the allure of opportunity, Jack decided to seek work at the market. He approached a jovial blacksmith whose hammer clanged rhythmically on glowing metal. "Sir," Jack inquired, "might you have a task for a willing hand?" The blacksmith eyed him, then nodded. "Aye, young lad, if you can withstand the heat." Days at the forge turned into weeks, and Jack learned the trade, his muscles strengthening with each swing of the hammer. He found joy in molding simple iron into tools that brought ease to people's lives. Yet the very fire that fueled his curiosity urged him onward, whispering of lands yet unseen. With coins jingling in his pocket, Jack thanked the blacksmith, whose mentorship had imprinted lessons of diligence and craftsmanship upon his soul. Again he took to the path, following the sun as it set the sky ablaze with hues of vermilion and gold. One chilly evening, Jack stumbled upon an ancient castle, its towers silhouetted against the twilight. Here he met a wise old storyteller, weaving tales that enchanted all who gathered. The old man was frail, but his words carried the vigor of youth. Seeing potential in Jack, he imparted secrets of the art of storytelling, saying, "Every journeyman should know the power of words." With the storyteller's guidance, Jack's narratives became vivid tapestries of adventure, binding listeners with invisible threads of imagination. His tales spread laughter, invoking wonder that transcended reality. People gifted him with tokens of gratitude, small treasures that glittered like stars in a night without a moon. Yet Jack knew his story could not end here. Heart pulsing with renewed determination, he ventured still further, testing the limits of his grit. One day, as the path became a ribbon of dust, he rescued a raven entangled in a hunter's net. Grateful, the bird offered Jack a single black feather, a symbol of friendship and luck. Now burdened with companionship beyond what he sought, Jack journeyed past roaring rivers and snow-capped mountains, each step resonating with the beat of the earth. His encounters, a varied tapestry of human and nature's kindness, filled his heart with riches untold. When he finally returned to his village, time had weathered it gently. His family greeted him with open arms, their embraces warm as the hearth. Jack shared his tales, not as a conquest, but as a journey of discovery, etched upon his very being. The amulet, the coins, the feather, they were reminders of lessons that transcended wealth. In the end, Jack realized that fortune wasn't merely riches or revelry, but the friendships forged, the wisdom gained, and the beauty found along roads unpredictable. His heart swelled as he understood that his true fortune was a fulfilled life, rich with experiences beyond the horizon. Thus, Jack remained in his village, his spirit of adventure untamed, but finally at rest, a narrator of his own tale, surrounded by loved ones who cherished the stories of a young man who dared to seek his fortune. And so his legend was passed down, a timeless testament to those with the courage to follow their dreams.
Want more songs and stories? Download our free app, Lula.